I found a new one. What a new one, L21 or gambling. The one is oral. That's a medicine, but I don't have a heal of this medicine and I don't have a main treatment. But I remember what the water is in the sun. Water and the light in the sun. Water. But we need to drink the water with orally that the medicine and we need to take off this down in the downhill, man, because it's like a mountain and the one is God is king. This is the number of one that it and it or I'll it aura is a gambling, man. Aura or it aura that mean is enggak, it that mean is itu, and that mean is itu. And we need to drink this magazine or medicine, but still gambling, right? The worst is too much is my mind. And the aura and lit. I remember one thing, and the words is aura et labora. Aura et labora. I'm gonna to search in the googling, and the googling is what, and we need to drink this water, and after this we need to see up at the light, right? Okay, wait, I'm gonna pause, and after this I'm gonna drink up in the light, and I can see what the genetic air I don't think so, but genetic or generic, but I can see what the meaning of in my mind is to see genetics. Oh, so much populating of, but the human, a salmon king. I don't think so, that king or what. I don't think that that's a complicated bit, because the many things of this aging, and I don't think so. What is so hard to think? That's complicated. It's okay. Hey, what the meaning of HENT? That's hot. Hot is the hell. Yeah. And you know what the circle? The circle is green. The circle is green. That's the ocean, right? Yeah, the ocean. And 5-1 and 5. That's gambling. Soccer, sachet in soccer. The FIFA soccer is cancelled by somebody else, and the king of king. I don't think so. The gambling is the meaning of that, and the owner of the gambler is, and I can see what the words and sampai habis. What we need to drink it up. Yeah, drink it up. Eat and up. What? You drink and see up the light. What? Wait. Yeah. So sorry. My room is like a trash, man. Yeah, but I have a drink. This is a yellow. Alright, it's a yellow. Hey, alright, it's a yellow color, man. Yeah, that's water is yellow. But what the meaning of the green of the ocean and the sun? I can see the light of the sun. Yeah, I can see two of the sun.